All right, within this unit, we need to also talk about percent composition. And percent composition is pretty straightforward and simple. For example, if I said, what percent of the word percent is vowels? Now you could probably figure that out, that there's 2 vowels and there's 7 letters total. So 2 vowels over 7 times 100 gives you 28.6% vowels. Okay, pretty simple. All right, so the way, just to generalize that a little bit in a way that will be helpful to us, is percent composition is part over whole times 100. All right, so that's just a really simplified, pared down definition of what percent composition means. So we can apply that to chemistry pretty easily. All right, and we're going to use it in terms of mass. What is the percent of carbon in carbon dioxide? So the mass of carbon is 12 grams. The mass of carbon dioxide, the whole thing, once again it's the whole, is 44 grams. So part over whole, carbon over carbon dioxide times 100, or 12 over 44 times 100 is 27.3%. I like to go ahead and write out this part here, at least early on, just to make sure that you understand what the part is and what the whole is. Just to simply work that into your mind as you go along. Right, examples. What is the percent of iron in iron oxide or iron 3 oxide? So the part is Fe2 over Fe2O3. Okay, so the iron over the whole thing. Use the periodic table, find your masses. 111.7 for the iron and 159.7 for the iron 3 oxide. Gives you 69.9%. Okay. Same thing with the nitrogen in barium nitrate. So once again, you got to count properly here. So the part is there's 2 nitrogens because of the 2 outside the parentheses. Okay, and then there's the whole thing. So 2 nitrogens has a mass of 28. Barium nitrate has a mass of 261.3. Make sure you can get that on the periodic table. And then you simply do the math and you get that percent. So percent composition is really quick. It's really easy. Part over whole times 100. And now we're going to use that in the next lesson to kind of go backwards to find formulas.